You owe them nothing. Call us. Before the views, before the subscribers, before the long nights turned into success, where were they? Where were they when you were talking to an empty camera? Where were they when nobody believed? Where were they when you were building something out of nothing? This is a letter from the people who understand that success comes with applause, but also comes with criticism. Listen carefully. Dear Cola, stand firm and hold your head high. Don't let the noise steal the fire from your eyes. They see the success, but they never saw the pain, never saw the sacrifices, never stood out in the rain when the channel was small and the numbers were low. When you planted every seed and watched nothing grow, many stood silent, many walked away, but now they got opinions on every move you make today. You owe them nothing, not a single explanation. You built your dream to dedication. They weren't there when the journey was hard. Now they want answers because you've come this far. You owe them nothing, keep walking your road. Only God knows the way that you've carried and told. Stand tall, stand strong, let your purpose speak. The strongest hearts are the ones that stay humble and meek. Where were they when you were fighting every doubt? When people laughed and said it would never work out? Where were they when the pressure got deep? When success was a promise you struggled to keep? They see the spotlight, but not the sleepless nights. They see the victory, but not the countless fights. Everybody loves the fruit hanging from the tree, but if you respect the roots, nobody gets to see. Some will cheer, some will hate, some will celebrate, some will wait, waiting for you to stumble, waiting for you to fall. But remember who carried you when nobody called. Don't waste your energy trying to explain. Some people already decided to misunderstand your name. Keep creating, keep building, keep doing your part, because your greatest response is the work of your heart. History remembers builders, not the voices in the crowd. The dreamers who kept moving even when life got loud. Yeah, you owe them nothing, keep your vision alive. You didn't come this far just to barely survive. The road wasn't easy, but look where you've been. Every battle you fought made you warrior within. You owe them nothing, let success tell your story. Keep chasing your purpose, keep reaching for glory. And when they ask questions about how you came this far, just point to the skies and remind them who you are. Callers, the people who helped build the foundation, already know the truth. And the people who weren't there at the beginning don't get to rewrite the story. Keep moving forward, keep your peace, keep your purpose, and never forget.